Alright everybody, I'm at Walmart right now because this location have the ONN 4K Pro box that I'm gonna pick up right now. So let us see if they still got it. Let me pick up one so I can take it up and give it a test. Well, look what we got here. The ONN 4K Pro box. What's up YouTube world, how y'all doing? What I'll be unboxing for you today is the ONN 4K Pro streaming box. ONN is a Walmart brand and they make other types of streaming boxes. For example, this one right here is the ONN 4K box, and I call it the hockey puck box because it looks like a hockey puck. And they got the stick as well. This right here is supposed to compete with the Google Chrome 4K and possibly the Amazon Fire stick or the Cube. This is, like I said, Walmart latest product, and it's for $49.99. And it's hard to get. If you're lucky, you can get it, but it's very hard to get right now because it's the latest thing on the block for 50 bucks. And it's a pro model. So what's so pro about it? We don't know. We're going to unbox it, and then in the next video, we're going to find out how pro it is. So from the looks of it right here at the front of the box, it tells you that's a 4K Pro streaming device, is powered by Google, and it tells you all the app that comes with it right here. And it comes with Hey Google, Chromecast built-in, Dolby Vision, Atmos, HDMI. Now from the side of it, it doesn't say much. And then we're going to look at the back right here, and it tells you right here on the back the 4K resolution, Dolby Atmos and Vision, fast Wi-Fi. You got Wi-Fi 6E, I believe. The Find My Remote feature, which is pretty cool. So for those that always lose their remote in the couch or in the bedroom or wherever, you got a feature. Like I said, in the next video, we're going to go into the setup and features, but this is just an unboxing video right now, just so you can see what you're getting if you purchase this device, if you're lucky to find it, that is. Easy cast your photos, videos, and music with Chromecast built-in, and you already know you got the phone to free live TV channels and other stuff. Here's some more of the specs. As I show you right here, you got 4K high definition resolution. The CPU is a quad-core Cortex A55. The GPU is a Mali G31 MP2, and you got 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of storage. I think that's more than the Fire Cube, and more storage and the RAM. That should be pretty decent. You got Wi-Fi 6, oh, it's not 6E. So you got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. With the 802.11ax, so this is a 6, just not the 6E. Still pretty good though. For the input, you got the AC 120 40 volts. I'm getting tongue tied, with 50 to 60 hertz. So if you want to know, this basically is a nice 4K Pro box that streams the highest resolution of 60. All right, so let us open it and let's take a look what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside. I like this wheel. I like the way it looks. You got a speaker right here for your Hey Google, which we're gonna look at in a second. And in the box, it comes to this is the AC adapter right here, 100 to 240 volts. And it comes with a standard HDMI cable. This is just a standard HDMI cable, nothing fancy. I usually use my own cables, which is the AK cable. And it comes with a remote, which I like. I like the black remote. It looks sleek, and it comes with a battery. Most devices you buy nowadays does not come with a battery. At least this comes with a battery. Good job, Walmart. Good job. All right, so far so good. I like what comes with this package right here. Let's just take a look real quick at some other things. One thing strikes out about me is with the remote, because let me get the remote for the ONN 4K hockey puck box. They're the same length basically, or actually, yeah, they're the same length. This is the controller for the ONN 4K hockey puck box. And you can see the layout is the same as the 4K Pro. Only difference is what is white is black, what is black is white. If you can see right there. What is white is black, what is black is white. Same thing. I like how they switch it up. That's pretty cool. The only difference is both of them still got a microphone right here on top of the remote. And this right here is different. This is the input button where you would select like HDMI 1, 2, whatever the input is. This one right here is their start. They call it magic button. I think that's what they call it, the magic button. And this, what they say you could do, you can control many features and apps and map it the way you want, which is pretty unique. So like I said, I'm gonna fool around with it and then do another video with setting up and features. Pretty tight. Let's look at the box real quick. Nice square, kind of look like one of those Alexa things. I never had one of those, or the Google Home, whatever they call them. But I like the way it feels. You got a nice weight to it. Got a speaker right here, which I don't think much people are going to care for anyway. And let's take the hockey pop box real quick. You can see right here, you got the power button right here, and this is a power button right here, or I think it's a reset button, because yeah, I haven't used this in a while. And the HDMI port right here, most likely is HDMI 2.0, like this new one right here. For a Pro, they should at least include a HDMI 2.1 port. So let's go on the back right here. This is a USB type. This was a USB type B. So you get a USB type B cord to connect to it. I don't remember what I connected with this for anyway. Oh yeah, the USB type B was for the power adapter. So you got to connect USB type C cable right here and the power adapter to power up this bad boy here. And the back of this controller, you got a reset button, an Ethernet port, the HDMI, USB 3.0, and the DC in. Okay, that's not bad at all. You got this nice rubber, square rubber right here to keep it in place. And it does a good job. This rubber is very, very good. And it's well built. For 50 bucks, I like the build quality. It feels very good. With this cloth thing on top right here. And looking up more at the side. Oh, this is where you turn on and off the microphone. So you can either turn it off if you don't want to use a hey Google, or you can just turn it on. Because sometimes these things can be very intrusive, and whatever device you have in your home, and say hey Google, it may trigger off everything. So I'll just keep it off. Because I just say hey Google, and my Android phone is going off in the background. So this may be a problem. So if you don't care about those features like hey Google, hey Alexa, and all that stuff, I don't think that would be necessary. But I like the looks of it. Let me compare the size difference with these two right here. With the 4K hockey pop box, this is way bigger. Maybe because of the inclusion of the speaker, but I like it. This is great. Walmart did a good job designing this device right here. Now it's just a matter of performance. So, all right, so that's all I have for the unboxing for the ONN 4K Pro. So I'm going to mess around with this bad boy real quick and then do a video about setup and features. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.